Hey guys, it's Desiree and welcome to another one of my cooking videos where I take one of the recipes from my food blog, Rican Vegan, and show you how to make it. Today, I'm making some pickled red onions. Pickled red onions are a great condiment to add to a variety of meals, and it's so simple to make. First, add some thinly sliced red onions to a pot. Add some white vinegar and sugar. Heat until it comes to a simmer, then immediately remove it from the heat. Let it cool down and add it to a jar and store in the refrigerator until you are ready to use it. The longer the onions sit in the pickling liquid, the brighter it will get. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I've included a link to the full recipe in the description below. If you like this video, then go ahead and click on that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos like this one. If you're not following me on social media, then go follow me right now at Rican Vegan on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.